Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the in operator in structured query language. The in operator is used in SQL query to reduce the need of multiple OR conditions. So it is kind of like a shorthand for multiple OR conditions. So instead of using multiple OR conditions, we can use the in operator. And it also can be used with select, insert, update and the delete statement. So the syntax for in operator is we write select star from the table name customer where the column name in Sam, Julia and Bob. So if the name is equal to Sam or the name is equal to Julia or the name is equal to Bob, then this query will return all of the records. So instead of writing multiple OR conditions, we can use the in operator, which is lot more efficient. And also we can use the not in operator, which is opposite of the in operator. So we have to write select star from the table name customer where the column name not in Sam, Julia or Bob. So this will return all the records where the name is not Sam or not Julia or not Bob. Like an example, we have the employee table and inside the employee table we have all the employee details. Now to select the employee details without using multiple OR conditions, we can use the in operator. So we have to write select star from the table employee where the column name in operator and then we can write the multiple OR conditions. So if the name is Sam or the name is Jack, then we wanted those records. So if I just execute that, and you can see we have retrieved the records where the name is Sam or the name is Jack by using the in operator. And also we can use the not in operator, which is the opposite of the in operator, where it will return details of all the employee where the name is not Sam or the name is not Jack. So if I just execute that, now it is returning all the employee records where the name is not Sam and the name is not Jack. So this is the way we can use the in operator, which is the shorthand for multiple OR conditions, to fetch record from one table. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.